Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? Sorry for the weird ankle. I'm having it by the end of the table. I'm here with another unboxing. I ordered this one quite a long time ago, actually. Well, maybe last week. But I got it now. I thought that I would get it to my door, but I didn't, which is why I'm doing it this way. Let's see here, where should I begin? I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna see where the opening is. There it is. I'm gonna... Sorry dudes. Sorry if I'm out of shot. Here I am. It's my first time unboxing with this camera, but I'm trying. I'm here. I'm trying. I don't really know how I will open this one up. Okay, I think we got it this way. Looks like two boxes in one. How? Here we go. Got some things here. This one is a Yamazaki, which is one thing that a similar thing that I ordered last month. Yamazaki whiskey. This one isn't last time I ordered a 12-year-old, but This time I didn't. This one is a very small one. I think this one is a just a 20 centiliter a Kragenmore, 12-year-old. So that's another one to my collection. And this is the, I know what this is. This is the envelope to the box for the Yawasaki. This is a two-parter apparently. More filling. Let's see what this is. I probably know what this is. This is the cigars that I ordered. I must say they wrap it really good. So this is a box with some cigars. Probably gonna. I can open it up later just to show you guys. More filling. And this one. Box is empty, so I'm gonna put this away. And I'm probably gonna put away all of the filling. Give me a second. Give me a second, dudes. Hi. Just gonna put this all away. Hi, welcome to my channel. First, I want to show you guys the cigars that I ordered. If I can open the package. There we go. It's one small Cohiba, Siglo one Cuban cigar, and two Monte Cristo cigars, open ones. This one, it's another whiskey, so well bourbon in a sense. It's the Maker's Mark 46. So I've got a Yamazaki whiskey, a Kruggenmore 12-year-old, and a Maker's Mark 46, and 1 Guiba and 2 Monte Cristo cigars. I think I'm gonna at least try 1 Monte Cristo since I've got them now. I got a lot of them now. So that's my unboxing. I hope you liked the video. You can like and subscribe if you want to. Let me know what you think. Otherwise, peace.